What up, chat? Final 10 teams or so. Take a peek in the store. If you guys want to bundle something up, we'll make a deal. But this is brand new football. Panini One football. These are hobby megas of Donruss Optic. We got 3 of these. 2 Panini One football boxes here. And then we got the mini helmet, autographed mini helmet box. Final few teams here. Still got the Lions and the Panthers in play, chat. Lots of affordable teams too. If you guys want to grab like those value teams, there's quite a few in there for like $25 for the break. Quite a few in there for just $25 for the break. 3 Donruss Optic Hobby Megas, guaranteed hits. 1, 2, 3 hits here. Could be autos, could be relics. Case hit chase. 2 Panini One football hobby boxes here. Show me the Panthers. Is that the Jeter box? Is that the Jeter box? Autographed mini helmet. I threw this in to fill the break. Chat. This is a bonus. This is a bonus. I was already priced below everyone else at these prices here. Because I valued my boxes cheaper than what they sell. And I threw this in. So there we got 6 autographs or patches coming your way, chat. 3 hobby megas here. 2 Panini One hobbies here. And I'm going to throw in a case for this too. So this mini helmet's going to ship in a nice little display case. So whoever gets that's going to get a nice little display case. So I care. Papa Joey cares. If I could price this any differently, it would have already been priced. We've been here for 3 hours. 2 hours. So if we want to bundle some stuff up and make a deal, let's do it. These are the final few teams. 10 or 12 teams left. Lions, Panthers, big quarterback chase there. Zay Flowers. Some of these teams are great because of the optic also, right? So Seahawks, Ravens, Lions, great teams to have because we're also chasing the hyper red parallel here. You also got the downtown chase here. Guaranteed hit in every box. 2 Panini One boxes as well. And then the autographed mini helmet. Final few teams, then we rip, chat. We already got rid of all the big teams for you. So the only teams left are some of the hit teams. You know what I mean? Zay Flowers out there everywhere. JSN's out there everywhere. Aiden O'Connell, Bryce Young, big chase there. Jahmyr Gibbs in there for the Lions. Cowboys have a huge checklist in Panini One. So if you're a believer that we're going to land something in Panini One, maybe you want to go Cowboys. If you're going to grab a few teams, chat, let me know and we'll bundle them up. But I do have 10% off our already low website price and free shipping. So I'm taking a bath on this so we can move off of it. This is the last of these breaks that I have. Thanks for the follows, man. Chat, if you're just passing through, grab a team. It's not going to hurt you. Grab a team. Something for everybody in this break. If you guys have questions about the checklist and what teams maybe around the value you should be grabbing, let us know. Some great teams still on the board, especially at these prices. 3 hobby megas, 2 Panini One hobbies, guaranteed on-card autographs in these boxes. These are the 3 hobby megas. These are not retail. Guaranteed hits in every box. These are the hobby megas. And I threw in this autographed mini helmet. I threw in an autographed mystery mini helmet as well that's going to ship in a nice little display case. I have these display cases over here. Thank you for being here, chat. Everyone grab a team, man. If everyone in here grabbed a team, we'd be ripping by now. I'd keep some of the big teams if you guys grab these value teams, and we'd be ripping. That's how it is. If you're worried that it's not going to break any minute now, grab a team and be a solution. Be a solution, and we'll rip. If you guys have questions, let me know, though. If you guys have questions, let me know. Appreciate you being here. Thanks for the share and the likes, Randy. Appreciate that. Final few spots, chat, and then we rip, man. Final few spots, and then we rip. 3 hours of this. 3 hours of this. Thanks for being here, chat. Thanks for the follows. Take a peek in the store, man. I got it priced out so there's something for everybody. If you guys want to chase some of the big teams are expensive. But if you want some of these value teams, just so you can participate in the break, I got free shipping and 10% off. If you want to grab some of these mid-tier teams here because you want to chase some rookies or chase some of these Hall of Famer or veteran autos, those are also priced great. If you want a bundle discount too because you want me to hook you guys up, just let me know. Let's bundle something up. The Eagles are gone, chat. Appreciate that. Eagles are gone. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. Philly gone. Appreciate that. Gang, gang. Gang, gang. Moving in the right direction. It's been a challenge. Sometimes it's just like they fly off the shelves. Other times I'm sitting here begging. Begging you. Put your loving hands out, baby. I'll take the big teams. I don't think that's the problem, though. Like, if I'm like, hey, I'll take these big teams, you guys grab these teams. I don't think that makes it better, chat. I don't think it makes it better. You know what I mean? I'm like, oh, I'll take these big teams, you guys take these teams. JSN, Zay Flowers, Aiden O'Connell, Bo Jackson autograph chase there, too. $20, $25 teams out here for people that are interested. 3 Optic Hobby Megas, 2 Panini 1 Hobby boxes, 1 autographed mini helmet, plus I'm going to ship you in the display as well. For all the stuff on the table at this price, that's absurd, chat. I'm telling you, it's absurd. 2 Panini 1 Hobby boxes, 3 Hobby Megas, plus the autographed mini helmet. Mini helmet mystery box. For all the stuff on the table, the price is absurd. And I'm going to ship that in a case. Take a peek in the store. We're going to have a great time. On Friday, the Hits and Panini one were, what were the Hits and Panini one? Ricky Williams on-card autograph and Spears from the Titans on-card autograph, patch autograph. I think it was a dual patch for Spears, and then the Ricky was just on-card. Take a peek in the store, chat. Some of the final few teams that are here, man. If you guys want to grab a few teams, let me know. We'll bundle them up. If you want to grab a few teams, let me know. We'll bundle them up. You guys have questions, let me know, man. Let's figure it out. Brand new product. Panini One football. Hobby Megas of Donruss Optic. These Donruss Optic Hobby Megas have the red hypers. There's an autograph or a memorabilia card guaranteed. We're chasing downtowns. These are the brand new Panini One Hobby boxes, guaranteed on-card autograph. Lots of good teams left, chat. Lots of good teams left. Lots of rookies to chase. There's no junk on the table. I mean, you got the Zay Flowers. You got JSN. Dalton Kincaid. Aiden O'Connell, Bo Jackson chase in Panini 1. Panini 1, the Steelers look really good. The Cowboys look really good in Panini 1. And a lot of these teams are like 20, 25 bucks, chat. A lot of these teams are 20, 25, 30 bucks. We're doing 2 Panini One hobby boxes. These sell for like four to 500 bucks, depending. These Donruss Optic Mega Hobby Megas have guaranteed hits in them. We're down to the wire. There's only a few teams left, chat. Only a few teams left. Take a peek. If you want to bundle some stuff up, let me know, man. Chat, if you want to bundle some stuff up, let me know. Chat, we do a last call on teams. I'm gonna eat all the teams. I'm over it. My ADHD won't allow this. If you guys see any teams that you want, I'm not gonna do 50% off teams. I'll just eat them. But if you guys see teams that you want, I'm trying to get you the best discount that I can. We're only gonna do this for a few more minutes. For the folks that are passing through, this is brand new stuff. Panini One football, Donruss Optic Hobby Megas. I threw in a mystery helmet box. Bills Steelers. Let me get you a deal, bro. I got you. Bills Steelers. I got the Bills at 55. I got the Steelers at 25. What is that? 80. So I got them at 80. So that means that they're 72 on TikTok. Let's do 60 to close it out. That's like 25% off. Just to hook you up. I think it was your first time buy, right? No, it's not your first time. I just saw who you were. Cool. I appreciate that. Let me price it out for you real quick. Good luck. Cordell Stewart autograph would be dope. I'm rooting for you. I want a Cordell Stewart autograph. I didn't know I wanted it until I saw it. Bills and Steelers. All right, that's priced out for you. It should just take a few seconds. If you have it in your cart, should be good here in a second. Steelers and Bills. Chat, if you're just passing through, we're going to rip this any minute. If you want to bundle up some teams before I eat all these teams, let me know. Now's the time. If you want to bundle some teams before I eat these teams, now's the time. Brand new Panini One football. Mystery helmet, mini helmet autograph. 3 Donruss Optic Hobby Mega boxes. These aren't retail boxes. There's guaranteed hits in these. 2 on-card autographs here. If you're passing through, now's the time to make some offers or ask for some bundle deals. Probably about 10 or 15 minutes is all I got left in me to beg. And then we're going to just rip. I'm going to eat these teams. This is brand new football, chat. Brand new football. Panini One football. On-card autographs. Cowboys, Cardinals, I got you. Thank you for asking, by the way. Cowboys look nice in Panini One. We're at the Cowboys at 40, so we're at 70. So let's do 63. 55. Since you already had some teams too, I'll do 50, Joker. How about 50 for that? So we're from 70 to 50. Just because I care. I'm getting smoked. Getting smoked. Let's do it though. Papa Joey doesn't have the patience to sit here. All right, let me see me price this out. Cowboys. Thank you. Thank you. Definitely thank you. You guys are the one buying, so I appreciate it. I appreciate it. What kind of 7 degrees of separation thing is this? Your boy you played travel baseball with was one of the Michigan DBs on the Cordell Hail Mary pass. That's dope. That's funny though. That's priced out for you whenever you're ready. I think I did a good job on it. Let me know if it doesn't add up. Chat, a few more minutes left here, and then we're going to rip. Like I said, I'm going to eat these teams if you guys don't take them. If you guys want a bundle discount on anything, let me know. Now's your chance. Panini One Football here. 3 Donruss Optic Hobby, Mega Hobbies here. Guaranteed hits here. 2 Panini One boxes. These are guaranteed autographs here. And I threw in the mini helmet box. And I'm going to ship it in a display for you, too. A nice little display. I'm getting absolutely smoked on this. But we need to rip. I'm tired of sitting here. I'm sure you guys are tired of it, too. Cardinals jumped up to 45. I like that. That's sexy. That's sexy. Oh, I priced them wrong. I clicked on them wrong. Yep. Good look at that. Cardinals, I think, are supposed to be... I think it's supposed to be 21. Yeah, this supposed to be 21. I hit the 5. I fat fingered the 5. Good looking out. Give it a second. It should update for you. Appreciate that. Appreciate everybody coming through. Bills, Steelers. We'll have select football here. We'll have baseball next week too. We'll have composite football. We'll have chrome basketball. We'll have Boys of Summer baseball. We'll have Bowman Chrome baseball. Chat, so if you haven't already followed, I appreciate you. Hit that follow button. PapaJoys.com is a website too. If you want to hang out in the Discord, we do fantasy sports. We do all kinds of fun stuff. Chat, take a peek in the store, man. Final few calls out. Last calls on teams. I'm gonna eat what's left. If you guys want to get some deals on bundles, let me know. 2 brand new Panini One Hobby boxes, autographed mini helmet, 3 Donruss Optic Mega boxes. We're gonna rip here in about 10 minutes. Papa Joey's tired of sitting here. Raiders are in play. All the rookie chases are still here, funny enough. Zay Flowers, JSN, Aiden O'Connell, all still here. The Browns are in here too with the DT. What's his name? Dorian Thompson-Robinson. Lions and Panthers are still there too in case someone does want them. I'm going to eat those otherwise. Lions and Panthers are still there if someone wants them. Otherwise, I'm going to eat them. I'm going to take my Jahmyr Gibbs Shield Auto to the bank. Bo Autos in 1, yeah. Bo, Aiden O'Connell, Bo Jackson autograph chase there in Panini 1. If you guys have questions, let me know. We're going to rip this in about 9 minutes, 8 minutes. I'll eat whatever teams are left. I don't care. If you guys want some bundle discounts or anything like that, just let me know. If you see any teams that you want a bundle discount, let me know. Cowboys, Cardinals, got you, man. I appreciate that. Appreciate that. Here we go. Last call, chat. Last call. Last call. If you want to get some teams, or if you want to make an offer on something, feel free. Any reasonable offer will probably be accepted. Otherwise, I'll keep whatever teams that we see in front of us, because we're going to rip here in about 7 minutes. 3 Donruss Optic Hobby Megas here. I got the autographed mini helmet here. We got 2 Panini One hobby boxes here. These Panini One hobby boxes are brand new. Brand new. These just came out on Friday. This will ship tomorrow. You're going to have these cards before most people. 3 Donruss Optic Hobby Megas also in play. These are the Hobby Megas with guaranteed hits in them. These aren't the Target retail boxes. These are the guaranteed hit. Could be an auto. Could be a patch. Also, you got 3 Hyper Reds in every box. And then we got a downtown potential too, right? We got case hit chases here also. 2 Panini Ones, and then the autographed mini helmet box. Last call, chat. About 5 minutes to go. We're going to rip. Whatever teams are left, I'll just eat. Going backwards on this thing anyway. Might as well get some cards, I guess, huh? Any questions, let me know. If you want to bundle up some teams, let me know. I'll get you a little extra discount. But we're at 10% off plus free shipping anyway right now. We're at 10% off plus free shipping right now. 10% off the website price plus free shipping. 3 Hobby Megas, 2 Panini One boxes, 1 mystery mini helmet box. Jahmyr Gibbs, Bryce Young, Zay Flowers, JSN, all on the table. Drew Brees, autograph chase in Panini One also. Bo Jackson in Panini One. Aiden O'Connell, though, also here for the rookie chase. Last call. We're going to rip in about 5 minutes, chat. If you see any teams that you want, just let me know. Otherwise, I'll eat the rest and we're going to rip. Final few teams, chat. If you guys want some teams, now's your chance. Now's your chance. About 5 minutes, we're going to start ripping. Last call, man. If you guys want to bundle up some teams, let me know before we do this. Sure enough, what's going to happen is we're going to start ripping and people are going to be like, oh man, Panini One's so cool. Last call, seven teams left, I think. Seven or 8 teams. Four minutes left. If someone's passing through and they want to make a bundle offer on any teams that are left, now's your chance. Final few teams that are left, chat. We're going to rip in 4 minutes. If you guys see any teams that you want, now's your chance. Get a little bundle discount. 6 hits, 2 on-card autographs here, a mini helmet hit here. 1, 2, 3 Donruss Optic Hobby Megas here. Zay Flowers, Jahmyr Gibbs, JSN, Bryce Young, Aiden O'Connell, all in play right now, chat. We're gonna rip in about 3 minutes. Last call on these teams. People are passing through. No one wants to spend 20, 30 bucks on a team. Last call, chat. About 3 minutes left until we rip. 3 Donruss Optic Hobby Megas, 2 Panini One Hobby football boxes, on-card autographs there. If you guys have questions, let me know. If you guys want to get a bundle discount before we start ripping, now's your chance. Now is your chance. About 2 minutes till we rip, chat. 2 minutes till we rip. No. Last chance, chat. Once I take the teams out of the store, we gotta rip. So I can't sell them. So if you're passing through, now's the chance to grab some teams or get some bundle discounts or whatever you want to do. If you want to chase Bryce Young, if you want to chase Gibbs, if you want to chase JSN, Zay Flowers, some big hit chases out there, man. Some big opportunities. 3 Donruss Optic Hobby Megas, 2 Panini One Football Hobby boxes, and the mini helmet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 teams left. Last call. 75% of the way filled. We're gonna rip after this. If you're in the store, get it, and let's go. If you're in the store, get it and let's go. Otherwise, we're gonna rip. If you're gonna get it, let's go. I see people bouncing in the store. I don't want to be mean and cut you off if you are gonna grab something. Final few teams. I'm gonna start getting ready to close this out, man. Chat, appreciate y'all being here. Thanks for everyone's patience. If you're gonna grab some teams, now's the chance. If you want a bundle discount, now's your last call. All right, last call, chat. We're gonna rip right now. 2 Panini One Football Hobby boxes, 3 Donruss Optic Hobby Megas, 1 autographed mini helmet. Last chance. We got 10% off plus free shipping. 10% off plus free shipping. We're gonna take this off the screen. Let me see what to do. All right, chat. All right, we're gonna rip. If you're gonna buy a team, now's the time. I'm gonna close this out. I'm gonna zero everything out. 70 on the Lions. I can do 80 on the Lions. Do 80 on the Lions if you want to do 80 on the Lions. I have them at 105. After the discount, I have them at 95, so I'm taking them down to 80. All right, cool. I'll rip. Thank you. Any last calls? All right, cool. And for what it's worth, it's not that I don't want to take your deal. It's just I didn't give anyone else that big of a discount. That's the only reason why. I know you understand, so I appreciate you. All right, here we go, chat. Let's do this. I closed all that out. Let's see how it goes. About that life. I wish if I was keeping something, I wish it was my Falcons. I wish I had this stuff at an allocation price, so this wouldn't sting as bad as it's about to sting. But let's do it. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Good luck, man. Thanks for being here, everybody. Appreciate y'all. Let me update the teams and show you guys the teams actually before I just start ripping. Forgot to do that part. Let me see here. Ravens, Papa Joey. Papa Joey. Panthers, Papa Joey. Browns, Papa Joey. Lions, Papa Joey. Texans was Brian. Raiders, Papa Joey. Dolphins, Ariel. Jets. Seahawks. And so I didn't write down the Patriots. Adrian had the Patriots and the Vikings. That's right. Vikings, Patriots. And Papa Joey had the Saints. All right, there we go. Now we're cooking. Good luck, everyone. Butter Baker. Who doesn't love them some Butter Baker? Tucker Kraft for the Packers. Parker Washington. Seahawks? Wow, Jaguars. I'm blind. Chad Ryland from the Patriots. Debo. Where's my sleeves, chat? Olajari. There's a little Zay on the base. Cooper Kupp, Diamond Hands. Breece Hall. I think any friends we're going to have in life, you want to have a good Butter. You should always be able to call up your boy Butter. Garoppolo. Rod Smith. Cam Smith for the Dolphins. Aubrey. And Drew Sanders from the Broncos on our Red Hyper. How exciting. Lamar, Schultz, Nolan Smith, Little Silver, Dorian Williams from the Bills, Jared Goff, J.C. Horn, Baselli, Van Ness for the Packers. There's another Spears. Titans edition. Joey Porter Jr. for the Steelers. Very cool in the Hyper Red. We like little Joey Porter Jr. We like that. On the red. Little, looks like a patch. There's always patches in these. Connor for the Chiefs. Nice Bryce Young base. Pacheco on the silver. Rookie Phenom. Jake. Little boy Horner. Jake Horner. Was it little boy something sat in the corner eating his, what's that nursery rhyme? That's what I was trying to get to, chat. Don't mind me. Next box is up. Good luck, y'all. Yeah. See, we're on the same page. We're on the same page, team. Tucker Craft again. Garrett Williams on the silver. Little DTR on the red. Hyper red. Very cool. Myles Garrett. What up, Sherm? Josh Allen, Michael Pittman, Olajari, little Zay Flowers base, Jamar Chase on the diamond hands, very cool. What's up, man? Say what for the chat? What did I say? What do I say? Cam Smith. Ringo. Oh, Trent Dilfer. I didn't see it. Was there a Dilfer in there? Like, it's got to be a hit. It's got to be a hit for us to get excited about a Trent Dilfer. Good call. Good memory. I like it. Terrell Suggs. Nolan Smith. Trey Tucker from the Raiders. Aaron Donald. Thibodeau here. Thibodeau. What's popping over there, Sherm? Kyle Lewis. Van Ness again. Spears, nice. Nice. Jaden Reed for the Packers. Very cool. You guys had 2 hypers for you? Good deal. Yeah, we get a Stroud patch. That'd be nice, huh? Connor from the Chiefs. Another Bryce Young. We'll take it. It's a base Bryce. Jason Witten. I'm just living the dream. You know me. There's a giant, as always, Saquon Barkley. Just living the dream. To sort these. I got to update all the product I have on my website, too, tonight. That Barkley. I like the patches in these. I'd much rather get an autograph though. Where is Barkley? Is he a Saint? No. Clayton Tune. Another Joey Porter. Silver to go with your red. Strange. Nice JPJ. Doing good on those. Doing good on those. Called out the right teams. Michael Mayer, Kendra Miller, Tyreek Hill on the silver chain reaction. Jalen Hurts, Jalen Waddle. He said no. Very nice, very nice. We likes it. There's the fridge. A lot of Musgrove, no? Nice. Will Levi. Trenton Simpson for the Ravens. Wrong Raven. CJ's coming? All right, bet. Bet. I believe in you. I believe in you. Tank Dell for the Texans. Maybe that was supposed to be. Light it up, Josh Jacobs. Warren Sapp. We got Tank Dell at least. maybe that is it. Maybe that is. That's that Houston hit. But they gave you the tank. DJ Johnson. Jordan Addison. Stetson Bennett for the Rams. Very cool. He had a couple good moments in preseason, right? We got one Clayton Tune in our last box, but nothing came with it. Massey Smith. Brandon Ayuk. He got traded, no? Oh, Tyler Scott for the Bears. First year. Going to the Bears. I think that's swag, I think. Oh, wrong sleeve. Should we do mini helmet first, chat, or the Panini One boxes first? Does anyone care? We'll do the mini. Yeah, I agree. That's what I was leaning towards. All right, chat. Good luck, man. Imagine we pop a Brady, dog. Imagine. Someone's got to hit these things, chat. Someone's got to hit these things. And keep in mind, like I said, chat, I have a box for it, a display case I'll send to you as well. This one's all sealed, dude. This one's must be a monster, huh? Must be a monster. All right. Let me see if I gotta look. I gotta know what I'm talking about. I gotta know. Papa Joy doesn't know stuff. It's an Eagle hit. Let's see if people know. Let's see who my real ones are. Yep, McCoy, yeah. LaShawn McCoy, very cool. 6-time Pro Bowler. 10,000 rushing yards club. That's a cool one, dude. I got a nice display. I think you must be an Eagles fan, right? Because you bought that team first. I'll send you that with the display, too. Pretty cool. That'll look good on the desk. Yeah, nice skit. All right, let's see what's in these Panini ones, chat. Oh, was that the old school helmet too? All right, man, here we go. Appreciate everyone being here. Usually it's a much more lively room. I don't know what the deal is tonight. So I appreciate y'all sticking through it. We upside down. Here we go, chat. Good luck. Is that a redemption? Weren't we laughing about that? I was like, has there ever been a redemption? All right, here we go. Redemption time, apparently, chat. Football, at least we got the right sport. Rookie patch autograph blue. Always good that we got a rookie coming in here. Good luck, everybody. Dang. Swaggy got the Bijan Robinson blue RPA. Dang, that's my Falcons, dog. Very nice. What's blue? What's blue out of? RPA blues out of 99. Out of 99. That's cool. Yeah. Chat, if any of you guys want one of these Panini One boxes too, let me know. If you were in the break, obviously. I only have 2. Obviously. This is a heavy card, at least. Must be like an RPA or something. Good luck, chat. Appreciate everyone being here, man. Thanks for your patience and time. We'll be live next week. I think on the 30th, a bunch of stuff drops, man. We got composite football, chrome basketball, select football, boys of summer baseball, Bowman chrome baseball, all coming up in like the next week or two. So hit that follow button if you haven't already. PapaJoey's.com is the website to come hang out with us. What kind of funky autograph is this, Doug? What is this? Isaac Bruce. 1 for all. That's a dope autograph. Out of 75. Isaac Bruce for the Rams. That's nice. That's nice. I'm annoyed we didn't land a AR. What or a Stroud or nothing. Drop Puka. Dang, chat. I don't got nothing else to add to make it fun. And I got smoked anyway. I had to eat like 10 teams. So. We tried, chat. We tried. That's a dope looking patch. I thought that was gonna be like a breeze or something because of that brown. Dang, dude. How do I have to eat most of the teams and I get smoked on those teams too? It'd be like that though. That's the game we play. I appreciate everybody. We tried, man. I appreciate everybody. We tried. Does anyone want these boxes that was in the break? Otherwise, I'm gonna toss them. If you were in the break and you want one of these Panini One boxes, thanks for being here, chat. I appreciate everyone, man. I'll post the hits, and then I'll see you guys hopefully this week. Take one for Sparrow, bet. They're nice boxes. They're good to, you can put stuff in them. Obviously you can because they're boxes, but they're nice. And Sparky, there we go. All gone. Let me write that down because I'll forget. Oh, why did I use my Sharpie again, dude? I'm an idiot. All right, y'all. I appreciate everybody, man. I'm going to go sort these things and then post some inventory on my website. Thanks again, chat. We tried. LPG didn't miss anything. Actually, no, you got another Spears something, like a silver maybe. You fall asleep outside again? I think you got a giant, too. You missed it? Adrian missed it, too? Dang, bro. It was short. It was short. I ate all the teams, so we went through it and dealt with it. For sure. As for LPG, that's swag. Look at that. And then that was the other hit. It's a nice card. All right, everyone. I'll see you guys in the Discord, man. I'm going to go get to work on stuff. That took forever. I appreciate everyone, though. Peace.